viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Much love and appreciation. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, people. So news coming out of Orlando, people, is that a manhunt is on for Dujon Dwayne Griffiths, people, a murderer. He's a person of interest, them say. So people, this incident took place in Orlando, Florida, people, where Dujon Griffiths end up shooting one of his friend and the friend baby mother as well, people, and end up leaving their baby in the car, and the baby died from heat exhaustion, people. So that's what is taking place at the moment. So what I'm going to do first, people, I'm going to play you a video of one of the victims' mother, people. The young lady that died, her mom was on Instagram making a speech, people, and talking about how her whole life has been ripped apart because of this Dujon Griffiths, people. Check out the video, people, and I'm gonna read your article and telling you exactly what took place. Check out the video, them.
Dujon Griffiths, you know I'm dead because you killed me today. Dujon Griffiths, you know I'm dead because you killed me today. When you make me have to go identify my granddaughter and my daughter in the morgue. Dujon Griffiths, you know. Dujon Griffiths, you come from Jamaica and you don't have nowhere to stay. And my daughter and his boyfriend take you in their house. Then Kara come to my yard in Miami and me take up my $100 gift to you because guess what? You didn't have nothing. And they brought you to their home and you did this to them, Dujon. Dujon, anybody can say anything on social media and this and that and reality. Be my guest. I am dead already. Me know I'm dead. Because you killed me today, Dujon. Dujon, you come to my yard. You killed me today. You killed me today. When you kill me Pitney and me grab Pitney, me I tell you the honest truth. You kill me today. When you kill Carla Shay and Carly. You kill me today when you did this to them. You're in their house, you have Carly by your hip every day. They play with Carly. They play with Carly. Bring Carly go to store. Me send the money, say, buy Carly ice cream. And you shoot them up like this. Just for them things. And you thought everybody was dead. But you got it wrong. Dujon Griffiths, no say me dead. So anything will happen. I don't care anymore. I just don't care. I am dead right now. Dujon Griffiths from Gulf. Dujon Griffiths, I'm the type of mother that don't play. I don't care. I'm dead already. So you can be my next guest. Kill me. Kill me.
Yeah, man, you can see she's very emotional, people. Very emotional and overcome with emotions because she lose her granddaughter and her daughter in the process, people. So, people, the article goes on to say, authorities are searching for a person of interest in a death investigation of a woman and a 1-year-old baby who were found dead in a car near Lake Eleanor, according to the Orange County Sheriff's Office. Orange County Sheriff John Mina said they are looking for 21-year-old Dujon Dwayne Griffiths in the deaths of 20-year-old Masania Malcolm, who was found shot to death, and her 1-year-old daughter Jordania. Mina said a cause of death has not been determined yet for the baby, but investigators believe she died while being in a hot car. In other words, this suspect allegedly left that baby to die in that car, he said. The sheriff said the two victims were most likely in the car for a couple of days. The sheriff goes on to say, deputies responded to reports of a shooting early Tuesday morning and found a man in his 20s who was shot multiple times. Sheriff goes on to say, The man told deputies a friend shot him before he was taken to the hospital for surgery. On Thursday morning, the sheriff said a family member of the man contacted authorities and said they were not able to get in contact with Malcolm, the man's girlfriend, and their daughter. Once the man regained consciousness, the sheriff said he told deputies he was shot while in the driver's seat of a car he was in with his girlfriend, baby, and Griffiths. Investigators learned Griffiths was staying with Malcolm, her boyfriend, and their child. So Griffiths, the John Griffiths, was staying with the deceased young lady and the deceased young lady's boyfriend and also the baby. So only one person has died. The boyfriend is in surgery and can he regain consciousness, them say. You see me, people? The man said he believed his girlfriend was shot as well and believed the friend drove off in the car with Malcolm and the baby. Malcolm is the young lady, people. And according to the sheriff's office, afterward, deputies found the mother and daughter dead inside a vehicle found near the 6100 block of Lake Eleanor Drive. Sheriff goes on to say this is a horrible, tragic case that has shattered two families, he said. Sheriff goes on to say his office has an arrest warrant out for Griffiths for attempted murder in Tuesday's shooting. He is also a person of interest in the shooting of Malcolm and the death of 1-year-old Jordania. So people, is a very, very, very sad situation, people. Very sad situation. Yeah, people, we haven't gotten the full breakdown of actually what took place. But people, this is my opinion, and me I gonna stick with my opinion. No matter how somebody a ball and a beg and a carry on and I talk about, oh, if me can come live with you for a while, stay with you for a while, don't do it. I have heard so many stories, people. So many stories of good-hearted, kind individuals, letting in people into their house to live for a certain time, people, and the result is always bad. Some sort of falling out always end up happening. Me not gonna lie, you're gonna have the one and twos where actually, decent and no hard feelings, nothing. Them live there and then them leave and go them separate ways and them still talk with the individuals. But some end on bad terms, people. Majority of them always end on bad terms, and this is one of them. This one end on terrible terms. Cause can you imagine this young man and him girl just I make a friend stay at them house and live for a while and look at that. Him shot the youth, kill him baby mother, and left the little girl in the car for dead. It's a very, very sad and unfortunate situation, people. And I don't wish that upon nobody. You see me? And according to the mother, it look like the John Griffiths just come to America or whatever, and he didn't have no place to stay, and they make him stay there. But Jano is very, very sad and unfortunate, people. But if I get more information on this or any updates, I will provide it and let you guys know what going on. Is it, people? Thank you once again for tuning in to Yard and Abroad TV. Much love and appreciation. Bless up, people. All right? Loving up.